Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Kiki, and today I'm gonna be doing some cornrows in my hair. All right, so it's hot. It's supposed to be 91 degrees today. I just really want to do something where my hair will be away. So I think I'm just gonna do like a few straight backs. Nothing crazy. Probably like 4. So yeah, I'm just gonna start by splitting my hair in half. Alright, so next I'm gonna split this in half. And that is gonna give us 4 spaces. Or 4 parts, or 4 sections. And y'all, your part does not have to be perfect. I usually don't really care. Whatever I produce the first time, I just kind of go with. But if you want to make it perfect, please feel free to do so. And I like to use some of this, see it, this Indian hemp. That's what it looks like. It has like all the little herbs and stuff in it. And I like to like get some and put it on my actual hair. And it kind of like coats it and just protects it from the elements. Really good too if like you're gonna be in like beach water or the pool or anything like that. Help create like a little barrier between your hair and that. And then I like to just put some in my parts too. And then I like to use some of this pure neat braid. You can see that. It's just some braid gel. And I like to put it like on the front, like you see my little edges, like that's cute, don't get me wrong, but I just like to kind of smooth that out a little bit. And then like on the perimeter of the braid as well. Now I'm just gonna work that in. Now it here like this, and I'm gonna start braiding. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're channeling wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 now we're gonna repeat the same thing right here. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. And twist
You're chilling in the rain. You're some kind of butterfly.